Hey, it's Mr. Peace here at Point Vicente Elementary School in Rancho Palos Verdes, California. Got to visit for a second time today, and the main focus was all about diversity and needing human kindness. And here in the rose garden at the school, so you see some of the wildflowers behind me. And what's so beautiful about wildflowers is that they're all unique, they're all beautiful, but together they are a true masterpiece, right? And so when we start to understand that diversity is differences that could be on the inside, our skills, our talents, our abilities, the things we're good at, the things we're not good at, but also on the outside, how we're born, our skin color, our language, where we're from, our culture, if we talk different, think different, see different, hear different, all these differences, whether outside or inside, we have to still honor and appreciate all of that, right? Respect everybody and respect all walks of life. Like the quote from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. that said he has a dream that one day his four children will live in a nation where they're not judged by the color of their skin or anything else, but by the content of their character and who they are in their heart, right? Our heart is big as our fist. We talked about this when I came for the first time. But we can let that love and light, we got the lighthouse here too, soak into our heart, penetrate fully and turn this into the peace sign where we lift people up higher than ourselves. And so we expanded upon that today and really wanted the focus, to talk about that kindness is not just important to the person that you're showing the kindness to, right? But the possibility of anybody that hears that positive word or sees that act of kindness, it could potentially change their heart too. And so that's why it's so vital. That's why this world totally needs it. We have to show that unconditional love without any conditions, that no matter whether someone's taller or shorter, in a wheelchair or not, born different or not, that we can still appreciate everybody, right? So again, thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that we're all true miracles. We always keep that concept going, the M on all of our palms with the lines of our hand. M for miracle, like my shirt says here too. And upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it, that we all deserve this love. We all deserve kindness. It's just up to us whether or not we're gonna show that. So keep showing your kindness, keep showing your peace, keep being that light to this world because we truly, truly need it. And as always, make sure to hit the notification bell to get updates on videos like these. Hit the subscribe button too that you'll see pop up on the screen, and check out the other amazing clips in the playlist above and my website as well to follow myself and my journey all across this country as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Hope to see you guys again. Much love. Peace.